The House of the Stone was designed on top of a massive rock in Ilhabela on the northern coast of São Paulo, Brazil. The premise was to make the most of the environment so that the house itself could become a part of it, blending into it. The views were framed to guide the spectator's eyes towards segmented perspectives: rock, sea, and forest. From the outside, the house seems to blend with the surrounding trees. The wooden deck, facing the sea, enhances this sensation. It was designed for a plot that is literally a large flat stone embedded in the hill. A slope was designed to accommodate the existing incline in the rock, creating two levels of internal spaces that contribute to the segmentation of the space. To emphasize the slope, a linear element in cast-in-place concrete was added. Besides functioning as a step, this piece also serves as a bench with a backrest, a side table, and a planter. Open spaces with compact dimensions still provide a pleasant sense of spaciousness. Even atop the mountain, the feeling is of being by the sea, allowing contemplation and relaxation for the residents. The charm of the kitchen lies in the softer colors. The choice of aqua green, in a way, encompasses everything from the sea in front of the house to the surrounding forests. A complementary composition to the terrain in a light and refreshing manner. The spaces were thoughtfully integrated with high ceilings to ensure good ventilation, lighting, and freshness. The entire foundation and structure were made of steel, and light finishes in clear wood, aqua green coverings, and natural elements were chosen to enhance the connection with the surroundings. Light, fresh colors, textures, and materials were chosen to connect the interior space to the exterior, aiming to create a unique experience for the owner.